mag-create tungkol sa kanilang sarili. Pag ikaw in-expose sa media sa publiko, ang publiko pagtingin sa'yo, hindi lamang ikaw Van, gwapong Bisaya. Hindi ganun ang tingin. Si Van nagre-represent ng napakaraming bagay. Okay? Pag tinignan nila, for instance, si Van, okay, gwapo, bata, Bisaya, rocker. May mythology ng kinikreate yan. Hahanap-huli na nila ang buhay ni Van para hanapin kung paano sila makaka-relate kay Van. Naiintindihan ninyo? The more relatable you are to people, the greater the number of your fans. I'll give an example, for instance, si Bugoy. Hindi ba ito alam ni Bugoy? Ang tingin din Bugoy, si Bugoy, okay, Bugoy magpangkakan tayo, okay? Hindi ka pagkakamalang kakambal ni John Lloyd Cruz, hindi ba? Pero Bugoy, yan ang charm mo. Yan ang gustong-gusto ng tao sa'yo, the very fact na galing ka sa bukid, magsasaka ang iyong pinanggalingan, pero hanap ang punyetang boses mo. At saka pag nakikita nila yung pag-iiba, yung growth mo as a performer, that's where you get your fans. O sige nga, ano mo akusasyon ang bigay nila sa'yo? Sige, kung ano yung pupukol nila sila akusasyon. The bottom line is that Bugoy, talent will still win out. Okay, si Lani. Okay, loko na, iyak yan. Okay, habi niya mag-nervous breakdown every week. Sabi ni Lani, anong araw na? Ay, time for my nervous breakdown. Hindi ba? But with all her quirks, paglabas siya sa stage, okay, and she sings, hindi ba? Alam mo, pinakagulat ako nung kinanta mo yung Natural Woman. Kasi napaka-sexy yung kanta. Sabi ko, my God! Is this the girl who auditioned sounding like the voice of the Blessed Virgin? Di ba? Di ba? You all have your mythology now. The weaker your mythology, the weaker yung fantasy na binibigay mo sa tao, the less your fans. Kaya Christina, people think I'm just a pok-pok, di ba? People think I'm just a slut. Darling, that's your selling point. You're a silly slut. It creates a personality. Gets mo, anak?
Opo.
Anak, look at it, in a forest of all these wholesome titang girls jumping around, hitting each other with cotton candy balloons and lollipops, you're the singing slut. So you stick out. And then I'm telling you, man, that performance of Tattoo last Saturday was so good. You know, sabi ko, shit, she's not a rocker, she's a vamp. Tama na, baka naman mauwi na overdose ka na. Gets nyo? Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take two of you at a time to the next room, and I'm going to show you your performance last Saturday as well as your midterm. Then, kaya ko lang 2 by 2, there are things I'm going to tell you which I don't want, which might hurt you. So at least dalawa lang kayong makakarinig.
Opo.
Okay? Because I'm going to tell you your real score right now of where you are with the public.
Oh my God.
And then no. Not with the public, your real score and how you'll be able to position yourself. Okay? The game, you've up the ante na. Tinaas na natin yung laro. Now, it's about making it in the real world. It's just no longer being the contest, but we are preparing you, win or lose, to be able to have a fighting chance out there. Okay? The first set of victims are Bugoy.
Yes.
Sino yung kapartner ni Bugoy? And Miguel. Okay? Kayo ang una kong dadalhin doon. The next set that I am bringing there will be Mother, Mommy, and Slutty. Okay? Sige. So, Bugoy and Miguel, kayo una kong dadalhin doon, okay?